It's Barracuda by Heart. Come on, it's an amazing classic rock song. So because we're making a drink today called the Barracuda. That's why, and it's an amazing drink with rum, pineapple juice, some vanilla liqueur, and topped with sparkling wine. It is absolutely fantastic for a hot summer day, so let's jump right in and let's make it. Go away. Alright, so we're gonna need some rum, some white rum. I'm using Plantation 3-star. Such a good rum. We're doing 1.5 ounces of your white rum. In the glass, slow motion pour. That's how we do it. Next up, we're gonna do some vanilla liqueur. The original recipe does ask for Galliano, which is what I have here. But I mean, if you got Liquor 43, if you got even a vanilla vodka, probably works fine. But Galliano is what it originally called for. So we're doing 1/2 ounce of Galliano or vanilla liqueur. Galliano has like a vanilla and slightly anise licorice flavor, but it's pretty good. After that, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. The original recipe actually called for a little less lime juice, but I found that it was better this way. I think my pineapple juice was a little sweeter and less acidic, so a little more lime juice was good, but obviously adjust to your liking. That's what making drinks is all about. Our last ingredient here is going to be a bar spoon of simple syrup. I'm using a Demerara syrup, but any syrup you got. After that, we're going to fill with some ice. Do a flippy move with your tin, and give her a nice shake for about 15-20 seconds. Pineapple juice gonna get nice and frothy like it always does. Look at that, looking good. All right, let's retrieve our glass from the freezer. We're serving this in a chilled coupe. You want something pretty big because we are going to add a little bit of sparkling wine. So you don't want Nick and Nora would probably be too small for this. All right, so we're going to strain our cocktail. Excellent. And then let's go grab a bottle of sparkling wine. I have a cheap Prosecco here. I'm not gonna crack open an expensive champagne for one drink. And we're doing it about 1 ounce. You could free pour this. I mean, you're just adding a little bit of champagne, a little more. All right, but you want about 1 ounce. You don't want to overdo it. For garnish, I'm gonna do a pineapple frond, and I'm gonna stick it right there in the coupe. You could do a pineapple wedge. You could do a cherry. It's really up to you. But there it is, the Barracuda cocktail. All right, the rum is kind of taking a back seat to this one. Up front, I get pineapple, and I get a nice sweet vanilla from the Galliano. It's bubbly from the champagne, and I do get on the finish, I get that kind of dryness from the sparkling wine. Yeah, I don't think the sugar was even necessary, the sugar syrup, but all in all, this is a really flavorful little summer cocktail, so I hope you give it a try. We'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.